O, magkano daw ginastos sa, ano? May nabawas ba dun sa ref?
Teka lang, nag-text si Miko, sinampal raw yata ng asawa kaya hindi makasagot.
Hindi, asawa ko na yung girlfriend ko dati.
Palakpakan natin si Miko.
Okay. Gandang investment yan.
Sisi ka nga.
Okay. Kailan ka pa naging advisor?
Matagal na.
Anong trabaho ng advisor?
Nag-a-advise.
Hindi, kaya nga, anong klaseng mga pangingilam ang ginagawa ng mga advisor ng?
Sinusunod si Blue.
Okay. Oh, kaibigan.
Nambubuang.
Oo nga. Anyway, Miko is the buwang ng MLPH nakalagay sa under.
Buang.
Official buwang ng MLPH.
So you have
Yes.
like characters like him.
Yeah.
I wanted to be there, pero as my work permits, I can't be there.
Okay. So,
Okay.
Congratulations.
Have fun to you all,
Welcome to the Burats.
and hope to visit you someday.
Astig.
Yeah.
Yes, batiin ko lang yung tulig na
Go, go, go.
MLPH na si Kuray.
Yeah. Ay,
Okay. See you guys.
anong advice mo sa kanila? Bilang advisor?
Advice ko bilang advisor,
Yeah.
Sa organization na to.
pagbutihin nila lahat ng ginagawa nila.
Seryoso?
Yun lang.
Okay. Thank you very much.
Okay, bye-bye.
Very wise words from your advisor.
Oo nga.
How many officers are there? Lahat officer, ano?
Actually, ano pa lang kami, nag-reshuffle kami. Nagtanggal, then nagdagdag. So, siguro, okay, mga around 20 to 30 officers and crew captains.
They have like upcoming big event that like big event.
Parang big night lang this coming weekend,
This weekend.
this coming weekend on May 9,
May 8
May 8
and May 9.
May 8 and May 9, we will be holding a motorcade. It's a tie-up with Evergotesco. So on May 8, it will be on Commonwealth, Evergotesco Commonwealth, and May 9, it will be with Evergotesco Grand Central and Evergotesco Pasig. And also this coming May 29, we will have our Subic International Raceway Farewell Run Track Day. So it's open kung di man kayo naka-Lancer or naka-Pajero. Even yung mga naka-SUVs, no, they run on the track day just to feel the track. So it's open to everyone. If you want to look for the details or if you want to ask for the details, you can log into mitsulancerph.net. Andun po yung ating announcement.
Is that a race?
No, basically track day, no. It's for yung mga gustong ma-feel paano mag-drive sa track, no. We try to give them the opportunity to do so. We also time their runs. So para makita nyo naman how you performed. Most often than not, or more often than not, yung mga nakakapag-track day, they try to pursue a active lifestyle in racing, circuit racing. So try nyo lang. If you don't have the car or you don't want to use your car, you can ask for a shotgun ride to any one of the MLPH members, especially the motorsports crew. Special shout out to them. Bibigyan nila kayo ng tips, racing lines, and everything. So titrain nila kayo proper driving, especially on the track, cause syempre merong risks involved.
Dahan-dahan release ng clutch. Dahan-dahan. Driving talaga no? Mr. Arlan Reyes of Mitsubishi says, he's asking, asan na si Kathy Burwell ng Mitsulancer? Who's this?
Kathy Burwell?
And all of you are giggling.
Actually, the Cathy Burwell, siguro meron na siyang business ngayon na balitaan ko is Tapsilogan business.
Ano ba siya? Magandang business siya.
Tapador.
Tapador.
Okay.
Tapador na sinlaki ng aparador.
Oh. Marami rin mga karakter talaga na.
Yeah.
I think we have a caller of 706-2892.
Hello?
Hello?
Hi, who's this?
Karen.
Nag-isip.
Nag-isip ng
pangalan.
Hello, Karen.
Hello.
Hello.
Karen.
Karen, how old are you?
Yeah,
How old
lagi
are
ako
you?
nakikinig sa
Ilan taon ka na?
station niya, actually. Yeah.
Karen, how old are you?
22.
22.
Uy.
Uy, pwede.
Ay, bakit 20? Patunayan mo nga.
Yeah, I have a question for the club.
Okay, go ahead.
Yeah. Kasi ako kasi meron akong Lancer. So if ever like me as a girl wanted to join the club, paano?
First of all, welcome Karen to Mitsulancer PH, to Brew Rats, guesting the Mitsulancer PH. So, re-refer kita kasi sama ng tingin sa akin ng presidente namin. Press,
No,
ikaw
it's
na.
okay, it's okay. Actually, Karen, just visit our website, www.mitsulancerph.net. Magre-register ka doon and wala namang bayad yun. And after that, browse ka sa forum and you can attend the Grand Eyeballs. Meron naman schedule sa announcement. 2 points lang to be an official member. And it's an optional voluntary payment lang kami sa membership fee. Hindi ka namin pepersahin.
Pero Chief, babae ito. Baka maraming manyakis dyan.
No, actually for female members, very friendly ang mga ating official member.
Yeah, and very friendly.
Lahat sila magpo-protect para kay Karen.
Yeah.
Yes.
One more. If ever like, kunyari punta ako dun sa Grand something, and stuff.
Grand Eyeball.
Ano yung pwede ko expect? Like,
True love.
I mean, expect from the club. Am I gonna grow on the club pa or whatever like that?
Actually, you will be feeling like an official member once na nakilala mo kagad yung mga tao behind the handle ng Mitsulancer. Hindi mo mapapansin na para kang yung outcast ka or something. Talagang i-welcome nila, open arms. So, mag-enjoy ka, matututo ka with your cars. And pinakamahalaga dyan, magkakaroon ka ng mga bagong friends. Friends.
Walang mali siya daw, walang mali siya.
Wala.
Okay. Sige. Mag-register ako ngayon.
Okay, go.
Alright.
Nice.
Thank you.
Bye.
Marami na daw
Pwede,
sila
no?
nakitang ganyan.
Oh.
Sa SM meron
Wala
daw.
na sa kanila yan.
Wala na sa kanila yan. Sanay na sila.
Nung una lang sila nagpa-raffle. ng mga ganyan.
Okay, sige, we're gonna do another break.
Yeah.
And we're gonna be back.
Black. Big Fish presents Innovation Black, featuring the Dutch legend Ferry Corsten. Once Upon a Night Progressive and Trance Tour.